Welcome to the Enterprise Architect Information Portal video, Model Editing 3, Repository Browser. The repository browser operates in two modes, active and passive. Passive mode enables going through the repository without editing. The user who has appropriate permissions can switch on the active mode that makes the editing functions accessible. Active mode is enabled by a single click on the relevant icon. In active mode, the elements in repository browser can be moved the same way as done in Enterprise Architect and under the same rules. The changes made are saved directly to Repository Enterprise Architect. What and where to move rules are the same as those for Enterprise Architect. It means a package under a package, an element under a package or other element, a diagram under an element or a package, attributes between elements, etc. If the action is successful, a confirmation message appears to inform that the change has been successfully saved. And again, all changes made can be verified directly in Enterprise Architect. If the user tries to make a change that is not allowed, for example to move an element onto a diagram, a yellow triangle warning sign shows up, informing that the change is not possible. The portal, beside its own permission model, also considers logs created directly in Enterprise Architect. If the user tries to manipulate any branch of the tree without having permission, the portal doesn't enable to do so, displaying a warning message. However, if the package is logged by the same user who is logged into the portal or by a member of the respective group, a blue exclamation mark signs that the change can be made. Don't forget to check out other videos to learn about other editing capabilities of EA Infoport.